Hi guys, PixelForge here, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to give you best tips that I personally use right after setuping Windows 11. First, we would stop the startup apps by pressing Ctrl, Shift, Escape. It will open the Task Manager. Search for Startup Apps. From here you can disable the unnecessary apps that will load on system startup. By disabling them, you will lower the tasks that your CPU and your hard drive will do at the startup of the system, and which also will help you from closing them manually every time you start your system. For the second step, we will delete the apps that are coming with the stock version of Windows 11. They will take a lot of space, especially if you have a low-sized hard drive. To delete them, open the settings and look for apps. After doing so, you'll find installed apps, open it. From here you can remove the apps that we've talked about before, which most of us won't even touch or use during their daily use. These apps invade your RAM and CPU for no damn reason. And now we are going for the most important part that will make your FPSs hit the moon. Open your browser and search for Xtoolbox. Open the first link. Go to Releases and download the Xtoolbox.exe. You can find the direct link in the description down below. After downloading it, open it. And from here you can optimize your Windows, apply tweaks, downloading apps like browsers, cleaning softwares, and also antiviruses. In this video we are focusing on the optimization part, which is called Debload on the list. Now press D and 4 to download the optimizer. Wait for it to download and it will open automatically. From here you can disable things that you won't need and that will hinder your experimentation. And also you can enable optimization tweaks. It's your choice, and I am not responsible for anything happens outside of what I said or indicated in the video, so if you are not feeling safe doing it by your own, I recommend you to use the settings that I am using right now. They are safe and they won't limit your usage in the system. After setting this page, go to the next one, which called Windows 11, and apply the settings I am using. After doing so, close the app and go back to Xtoolbox. Now press D and A to open the Windows Debloader. Here you can remove all the bloatwares that came up with the system. In the menu you'll find Remove All Bloatware. Click on it and wait for the process to finish. As you can see, all the tasks are finished, which means all the bloatwares were removed from the system. From the menu you can disable Cortana too. It's your choice disabling it. For me it's useless, so I'll choose to remove it. From here you can completely remove OneDrive if you want to, but I won't recommend it, because most of the files and documents in Windows 11 stands on it. As now we are done, close everything and restart your computer. Now, you might see that there's a big difference in your computer's performance. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you soon.